Baking soda gapon. So, look, Lance, it's citric acid. This is very sour.
Very sour, okay?
I think citric acid is the one that's sour. Oh, I put too much. Yeah, I think it almost launched. Pour half of the baking soda and citric acid into the there's a way to synchronize. Okay, let's start.
Stop.
Okay, you go in here, Lance. Okay, be careful. Okay, you stay right there. Okay, and 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Whoop, whoop. They work yun. Na-record din yun.
What?
Oh, that was so cool.
So cool.
And maybe you can try it again tomorrow if we can. Look, it's still bubbling, the mixture.
Still bubbling. You see that? What?
It
Now it's
exploded.
big. Now it's hot.
Okay.